Let us take you towards the journey of the beautiful friendship in the form of skit, wherein a heartfelt emotion is connected to each and every phase of the friendship. Here are three old men sitting on a bench in the quiet evening, immersed in conversation and thoughts.
दोस्तों, इनको देख के फिर से बचपन की याद आ जाती है ना?
Absolutely, those were days, ना कोई टेंशन और ना ही कोई कमाने की चिंता,
ना ही ये घुटनों का दर्द। इसी बात पे एक शायरी अर्ज किया है, इरशाद इरशाद, रोने की वजह भी ना थी, ना हंसने का बहाना था, क्यों हो गए हम इतने बड़े, इससे अच्छा तो बचपन का जमाना था। वाह वाह।
दोस्तों, बचपन की यादों का सबसे अहम हिस्सा कैसे भूल सकते हैं, जिनके बिना बचपन अधूरा था।
We know what you are talking about.
Friendship. Swan, why are you smiling?
अरे नथिंग, बस कुणाल की याद आ गई। कौन कुणाल? मेरे बचपन का दोस्त, we were friends since school time. वैसे बचपन की दोस्ती के किस्से हम सबके पास होंगे ना? Let's share few of them.
Yes, why not? Starting with you. बता तेरे और कुणाल का कोई किस्सा।
बात कुछ ऐसी थी कि मैं रोज की तरह घर गया।
मम्मी मैं आ गया। अच्छा वो बेटा तुम आ गए, अब खाना खा लो। मम्मी मुझे खाना नहीं खाना, अब मुझे 100 रुपए दो ना। क्यों? मम्मी मुझे मेरे बाल कटवाना है। हाँ बेटा, तुम्हारे बाल बहुत बड़े हो गए, पर बाद में, अभी तुम खाना खा लो। पर मम्मी मुझे सिर्फ बाल नहीं कटवाने, मुझे मेरे पूरे बाल कटवाना है। मुझे आज तुम्हारा बहुत मजाक प्यारा लगा है, पर ये नहीं। मम्मी ये मजाक नहीं, मुझे सच में करना है। और एक बात तो उठा देता है तो करके दिखाता है। अच्छा, लड़का तुमसे क्या डायलॉग मार रहा है? नहीं मम्मी, मुझे सच में करना है। तुम्हारे पापा तुम्हें डांटेंगे, अब तुमसे ज्यादा मुझे डांटेंगे। नहीं मुझे करना है। नहीं मम्मी हाँ बोल रहा है। हाँ बाबू की बाबा जल्दी से घर आ जाइए। क्यों? क्या हुआ? आ जाइए, मैं फोन पे नहीं लगा सकती। हेलो हेलो। क्या हुआ? ये टापू क्या किया टापू ने? नहीं क्या नहीं है, पर अभी करने वाला है। क्या? अरे क्या शांति रखी, एक तो फोन पे पूरी बात रखी रही है और मैंने फोन काट दिया। बोलिए ना, ये सर वाला सर नहीं, ये सर क्या हुआ तेरे सर को? नहीं मेरे सर तो कुछ नहीं हुआ, पर ये टप्पू अपने पूरे बाल निकलवाना चाहता है। सारे बाल निकलवाना चाहता है। हाँ, इसके पूरे बाल टकलू वो आप पता है सर, ये क्या नहीं सीधे तुम्हारी पापा ये जीत रहे हैं, मुझे करना है। पता है बेटे ये सब कब कराते? हाँ, जब उसका मूड हो। नहीं, जब उसके पापा की पापा शिफ्ट बोली क्या शिफ्ट बोली? पापा मुझे एक करना है, शांति से बैठ। क्या करें, छोड़ी नहीं मान चाहती, वैसे भी डिपॉजिट नहीं छोड़े। So as we saw here, Tuck persistently asked for getting born, even after his parents were not in favor of this. But what made Tappu do so? Why was Tappu so adamant about his decision? Let's find out why in the next scene, where Tappu is with his friend Vihan in the school next day.
Hi Tappu.
Hi Kunal.
अरे Tappu, did you both bet?
bad for getting bold? Tappu, what is this new mischief of you?
No sir, please don't scold टप्पू. टप्पू जैसा दोस्त तो सबका होना चाहिए.
मतलब अंकल, don't tell them.
No टप्पू, let me tell them. Actually sir, मेरे बेटे को लुकीमिया हुआ है और ट्रीटमेंट के वक्त लॉस्ट ऑल दिस है. हाँ सर, और सारे बच्चे मुझे चिढ़ाते थे, मेरा मजाक उड़ाते थे. टप्पू ने ये सिर्फ मेरे साथ देने के लिए किया था.
Tappu, I am proud of you.
लेकिन टप्पू, तूने ऐसा क्यों किया? तुझे भी सब चिढ़ाएंगे मेरी तरह.
कुणाल, तू टेंशन मत ले, हमें कोई नहीं चिढ़ाएगा. और अभी तू रो रहा है ना, जब हम बड़े होकर इस बात को याद करेंगे तब तू हंस रहा होगा.
हाँ, जो भी बोलूं, we can replace school and school की यारी.
कोई आंखों में जो मीठे मीठे सपने क्या ये दिल करे, मेरे दिल दिल की ये नई नई सपने आओ मुझे करे. हमको चबाते जाए, सबको बताते जाए अपनी हसरतें. यार मत भूले जगह है ये बड़ी, तुम सुनो सुनो सरो लक्ष्मी से. भूलेंगे सोचेंगे सभी आएंगे ना, कभी लड़े लड़े से थे, कभी अड़े अड़े से थे, कभी भीड़े भीड़े से थे, बस यूं ही जुड़ गए. थोड़े थोड़े से मीठे हैं, थोड़े थोड़े से खट्टे हैं, अब एक ही थाली के चट्टे बट्टे हैं. अब एक ही थाली के चट्टे बट्टे हैं, अब एक ही थाली के चट्टे बट्टे हैं.
Called just to support your friend, हाँ? अब दोस्ती का मतलब ही साथ देना होता है ना.
दोस्तों, मेरे पास भी एक किस्सा है कॉलेज के दिन का.
अब चल तू बता.
Give me your phone. हमारी दोस्ती के बीच में ये फोन नहीं आना चाहिए था. मैंने यही गलती कर दी.
अरे ऐसा तो क्या हो गया?
तो कुछ ऐसा हुआ कि एक दिन in the living room with his phone. Oh यार, yes, 10K followers. I'm getting famous. Look who's getting all the likes and comments. Awesome, Ronopi. Who needs real friends when I have full army online? Hey bro, can you help me in the project which ma'am gave us? Can you please come over? Oh, very sorry, but I'm going to live second in 5 minutes, which is more important as my friends will be waiting. Are your social media friends more important than your real friends? Yes, my friends and followers are everything to me. But your friend needs your help, bro. You can ask Kabir friends. Shall I need to go? Bye. Hey fam, just gonna chill there with my digital family. Drop a heart emoji if you love your digital family. Hey bro, movie night. Long time no see. No yaar, I have lot of work to do. I need to edit reels, go live and much more.
But having fun with friends is also important now.
Some other time please, as my friends will be waiting for my new What I Eat in a Day reel. You know now my friends and followers are very important to me. But I need to post it. Bye. Real life drama. Real friends are boring. Online is where the real love is. As we saw, Rohan completely ignored his friends and didn't agree to meet them because he often chose virtual claps over real hands that held us in silence. Next day, few of his friends were waiting in the canteen area where friends asked us, "No, yaar, some other time." You're calling him from this. He's totally ignoring us. Ever since he started chasing likes and followers, he has years. He hasn't come in weeks, not even replying in the group chat.
He is too busy being Rohan, the influencer. Let him be. Life will show him that what truly matters.
Unknown number? Hello? What? Mom collapsed? I'm coming! Life can change in a heartbeat. Just moments ago, Rohan was lost in the world of likes and followers, and a single phone call shook his entire world. What will happen next? Will his mother be safe? Who will show up to him? Let's find out. Hello doctor, what happened?
Your mother collapsed. She needs a blood donor. Her blood group is AB negative. We need to find a blood donor as soon as possible. I'll get back to you. You wait.
Can I do? What can I do? What can I do? Hey Pam, my mother is not well. We need urgently a blood group. Our blood group is AB negative. Please hear me if you can. Said.
Rohan, we came extremely hurt. What happened to your mom?
My mother collapsed. We need a blood donor very urgently. It's the rarest blood group in the world. I don't know what to do. I am helpless.
But donor जाना ही क्यों है? When the donor is already on the doorstep.
Ulu, it's me. I am AB negative. I gave my sample to the doctor. Don't worry, your mama will be fine soon.
Are you okay, Rohan?
Why did you came for me when I wasn't there for you guys? Because that's what real friends do. We show up, not swipe away.
Your mother is fine now. All thanks to Mr. Kabir. You may now meet her.
Mama, are you fine now? You know Kabir saved you. Thank you, beta. You all came and you saved me. Arey auntie, you are our mother too. Don't say thank you.
अरे अब जल्दी ठीक भी तो होना है.
आंटी आप प्रेस करो, हम रोहन को देखते हैं. 500 people saw my video, but no one came. You didn't even need a phone. Followers watch, friends act, and yes, now I promise that I will be for you every time because true friendship never dies. Yes.
People have forgotten to give time to real people and started chasing friends online. They don't understand when crisis comes, their notifications can be silent, but their real friends won't.
That's true. When it's friends time, there is no time for screen time. Hey, what happened?
Today is Sahil's birthday. It's been a year since he left me all alone. But his pride for our country, alive in our heart forever. Yes, I am happy he did a lot for this country. But 1-2 साल बाद nobody will remember him. And nobody can take his place in my heart. I feel lonely. घर अकेले जैसे काटने को दौड़ता है.
चल now, don't sit alone. Let's go.
अरे कहाँ? चल तो सही.
Sahil Library. Yes. Now people will remember it forever, na?
Not only remember, but there will be so many children coming to this library to study, and we will get so many other soldiers like our Sahil.
अब रो मत, इनॉग्रेशन कर.
थैंक यू दोस्तों, तुमने मेरी इतनी मदद की।
हमने कहा था ना।
जिंदगी मिलके बिताएंगे, हाले दिल गाके सुनाएंगे। अब तो सात रंग है ये जहां, रंगी बनाएंगे। जिंदगी मिलके बिताएंगे, हाले दिल गाके सुनाएंगे।
Through the stories of three old men, we could understand that time changed, they aged, but one thing remained constant. That is friendship. In every phase of life, be it childhood, where Tapu wanted to make his friend happy and didn't care what the world would say, or in college life, where Rohan needed help and got the support of only his true friends. Because friendship isn't a flick, it's a commitment. We should nurture it, value it, and never take it for granted. Finally, when the quietness of old age turned into silence, when one of them lost the light of his life, his only son, he felt so lonely, and to do something extraordinary, they decided to build a library on his son's name, where his son's name could live on forever. Henceforth, if we are happy, in need, or lonely, all we need is a good friend to celebrate with us, be our helping hand, and to silence the echoes of loneliness. So with this, I, your narrator, Arsha, would like to say goodbye and a heartfelt thank you to each and every one of you.